Machine learning is a way to teach computers how to learn from experience. Normally, a human has to give a computer very specific instructions to do a task. This is like following a recipe exactly as it is written. In machine learning, we do not give the computer a fixed set of rules. Instead, we show the computer lots of examples. The computer looks at these examples and finds patterns on its own. It uses these patterns to make decisions or guesses about new information. You can think of it like teaching a child to recognize a fruit. You do not explain the exact curves and colors using math. Instead, you show the child many different apples. After seeing enough apples, the child understands what an apple looks like. They can identify one even if it is a slightly different shade of red or a different size. Machine learning works the same way. We feed data into a system, and the system learns what that data represents. There are three main ways this happens. The first way is when we tell the computer exactly what it is looking at. We give it a picture of a cat and tell it that this is a cat. After seeing thousands of labeled pictures, it can recognize a cat in a photo it has never seen before. This is helpful for things like filtering spam emails or identifying objects in photos. The second way is when we let the computer find its own groups. We give it a big pile of data without any labels. The computer looks for similarities that humans might miss. It might notice that certain customers buy the same types of snacks at the same time of day. This helps businesses understand their customers better. It is like sorting a giant box of mixed buttons into groups based on their shapes or colors without being told how to sort them. The third way is through trial and error. This is common in games or robotics. The computer tries a task and gets a digital reward when it does something right. It learns which moves lead to a win and which moves lead to a loss. Over time, it becomes very good at the task because it wants to get the most rewards possible. Machine learning is already part of our daily lives. It is the reason your streaming service knows which movies you might like. It helps maps calculate the fastest route by looking at current traffic patterns. It even helps doctors find diseases in medical scans more quickly. It is a powerful tool because it allows us to solve problems that are too complex for simple instructions. As the computer gets more data, it usually gets smarter and more accurate. Thanks for watching.